This one we call prime. This one, you see, there's a dot here, right? This one normally we call prime. Prime is normally used for image. Image, object, image. Image is the one that you draw, the scale drawing. Okay, so now he wants you to state the scale in forms of 1 and so you see, let us see, we try compare PQ and P prime Q prime. So this is image, so P prime Q prime divided by PQ, which is 2 divided by 4, right? So it's 1/2. Okay, then we compare another one, PS. So this one is 3, this one is 6. So 3/6, also 1/2. So it means correct lah. Okay, so the scale is 1 from top first. We go for the top first. In fraction, 1 versus 2. This is how we write the scale. And all right, so try this. Try this. Done. All right. So let's see whether you are correct or not. All right. So see now. This is the what I call. This is the object. This is the image. So you see for object is 3. KL lah. We start with KL is 3. And then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 over 3. So you get 3 divided by 1, which is 3 lah. The scale will be 3 to 1. Okay. Why we need to do both? Actually, do one is correct. But why you need to do 2? This is to make sure that the image that you do is confirmed is the scale drawing of object. This is to make sure that, because you see like if we compare this side and this side so without compare this, we already know this okay both same so for sure this is the scale drawing. Okay, but form 3 normally they won't give this tough lah, they won't play around with you lah, but form 4 form 5 yes. Okay, this is just I'm trying to how to say, I try to make you guys have a habit to check because form 4 form 5 is the important one, not form 3, right? Form 3 is only for you to choose in form 4, but form 4 form 5 is the first ever exam. I don't know, you guys never take UPSR, right? UPSR, you guys is the first batch to demolish one, right? So you never take the government exam before. You don't think that is similar, the pressure that you might face during SPM, you might get higher because this is your first time. You see, everybody is doing inside a hall. Then you will start to get scared easily, So what I'm trying to make sure you guys do is to let you have the habit to be more careful. Sometimes SPM is not that hard. Why you get minus mark? Because you are getting careless. That's it. Okay, so now the diagram below shows this is the object PQR and the scale drawing of P prime, Q prime, R prime draw on the equal squares but with different size. This square only 1 to 1. This one is 2 to 2. This one very careful. So first we want to determine the scale. So we choose this one. This one 3 unit times 1, which is 3. Okay. The other one, QR 1 to 3 unit times 2 becomes 6. So 6 over 3, which is 2 to 1. 2 to 1, we normally try to get 1 to n. So I divide whole thing by 2. So you get 1 versus 1 over 2. Like that. Okay. Can or the other way, you just use the scale. Why? You see, here is 3 here also 3 petak so the only difference is this only, correct? So I just use the scale of 2 to 1. So the grid size, you see, 2 to 1, so you get 1.5 as well. Okay, can understand? All right, now for this one, next. Okay. For this one, try this. Try this one. Good. So let's see. So like we do, this is how many unit here? Wait. This is 1 and 0.5. You see, this is 2 unit. This one also 2 unit. So we can straight away use this one, right? Yeah. So 0.5 divided by 1. So 0.5 divided by 1, you get half to 1, then whole thing times 2, both sides times 2, so you get 1 to 2. Right? Now, okay, pretty easy, All right, now let's see. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 to 300,000. So calculate the actual length in km, which is when the lever is 3 cm long on the map. So you can use 3 cm times 300,000. So you can use 1 over 300,000 equals to 3 cm over actual distance. So shift this here, shift this here. So you get 3 times 300,000, you get 9 kilometer. Okay, because cm are cm to cm. Or we use the comparison. You see, 1 cm equals to 300,000 cm, which is 3 km. So this one is now 3 cm. 3 cm here times 3, here also times 3. So you get 9 km. Yeah? All right, next. Okay, so the map of Johor is drawn to a scale of 1 to 10. 1 cm to 10 km. So calculate the actual distance between the Kulang and Air Hitam. If the distance on the map is 2 cm, you see, 1 cm to 10 kilometer. So you see 1 to 10, okay, 1 divided by 10 equals to 2 to the divide by actual distance. Okay, so this one moves here, this one moves here. So you get 2 times 10 divided by 1. So you get 20 kilometer. Okay, correct? Or you can use this one. This one normally I call I don't know nowadays, but our time we call it as comparison method. Okay, it means that I compare left to right, 1 to 10 Now this one is 2 so means times 2. Times 2 need here also need times 2. Now become 20 kilometer. This one also usable. Actually, in science, when you are going to a higher level, most of the comparison we are mostly using comparison. We are seldom use the method 1. Why? It's very long. You try to imagine. I can let you know For a 10 marks questions in university, like mine is engineering classes. For physics, we have something like cost static is physics. I need to write down in like 2 pages of A4 paper for the answer, only for 10 marks questions. So that's why you will find out that the simpler, the easier. Unlike now I will let you. I will always ask you the more the more step you jot down, the better. Why? Because your step is not that much, But our time after that, it will give you a habit that I will check everything I write. Then after some time, then during the higher level, then you will go back to simpler form. So like I said, don't try simple. Don't like, this one easier, no need write too much, so I choose this one. Don't. Okay, it's not like Pikachu, I choose you. No. Okay, you have to. You have to choose. Your case is you better choose the best way, the safest. Which is for me, this one is easier because the formula is there. You just need to put in, and then you can just move here and there, left and right, which is easier. This one you might get wrong. Okay. Now, for example 8, Cairo, he draws a square to a scale of 1 to 1/3. So if the actual length of the side of the square is 6 cm, so he said, this is a square, this is an object, O. Now, if the length size is 6 cm, 6 cm means that for object is 6. Okay, so he wants you to find the length of the side in the scale drawing. So we know that the side of the scale drawing is normally, I like to use image. So normally the formula of scale is equals to image over object. All right. So this one will be 1 to 1/3. So 1 over 1/3 equals to the image over object is 6 cm. So move here. This one moves here. So you get Okay, 1/1/3 become 3. So 3 times 6, this one moves here, become multiply. So it's 18 cm. Okay? Okay? All right. Now, for this one, determine what? The scale used doesn't necessary. I think you should try, wait, let me, this is for mine test 4.1b. I think you better try 234. Okay. And next week, please remind me to arrange for your, I call that already, the replacement, because yesterday we got a replacement, so we will make it on that. And then for, I think you are this coming holiday, you got 2 weeks, right? If you are not around, let me know. You can join online as well. If let's say, because I heard that your family is not here, right? So if you are going back there, you got the chance to connect to handphone or something like that. You want to join via, I got sent the link inside actually. So you can join via the link as well. You can join online actually. Doesn't matter. Okay. So if no, then you have to let me know. I have to arrange earlier. Okay. Don't worry. I think I'm kind enough. I think lah. I think. Okay. Okay. Do this first.
அப்ப நான் நல்லா இருக்கா அவன் போடுறதுன்னா அவனுக்கே இருக்கு ஏன் வந்து அங்க எங்க அப்பா ரொம்ப பிடிப்பேன் எங்க அப்பா தான் அவனை நிறைய நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணாங்க அவங்க அவங்க முடியாது அவ்வளோ ஆசையா அவ்வளோ ரேட்டு செய்வாங்க வந்துட போது சொக்கர் நல்லா கத்துக்கிறேன் ஒரு பையனை வெட்டி விடுறேன் இருக்காமே Thank you for everything. You're welcome. சத்தியம் புரியலா தமிழ் பர்த்டே வீடியோ அதனால நான் தெரிஞ்சவரும் நல்லா கேட்டேன் எல்லாத்தையும் தெரியுமா அவ்வளவா பேர் போன் அடிச்சு கொண்டு கொடுத்துருக்கேன் வாய்ப்பே இல்ல இது கேட்டா என்ன என்கிட்ட போன் மட்டும் புரிஞ்சாங்க நான் சிக்கிறேன் சொல்லுங்க ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லா யூடியூப் பார்க்காம என்ன சீக்கே நான் கொஞ்ச நேரம் படிச்சது நான் அரை மணி படிச்சுன்னா நான் அரை மணி போன் பண்ணிட்டு என்ன அப்படி படிச்ச வந்தாலும் 5 நிமிஷத்துக்கு போன் சொல்லணும் இதுதான் தேங்க்யூ வெல்கம்
Done, huh? All right, so let's discuss. So a poster, okay, has a length of 24 cm and a width of 8 cm. So calculate the length of calculate the what you call that, the length and width of the scale drawing of the poster. So we know that scale is equals to 1 to 4, correct? 1 to 4, so it's 1 over 4. So the length for image, okay, divide by the length of object is equals to 1 over 4. So which is 1 over, no. This one is should be length of image over by, this one is 24. Length of object equals to 1 over 4. So length of image will be equals to 1 over 4 times 24. So which is equals to 6 cm. Now, width of image divided by width of object is equals to 1 over 4. So width of image divided by 8 is equals to 1 over 4. This one moves here. So width of image, which is a scale drawing now, 1 over 4 times 8, which is equals to 2 cm. So this is the length. This is the width. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Now let's see second questions. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 to 400,000. Okay. So actual length in cam of a lever with a length of 2.5 cm on the map. So you see, L image is 2.5. Okay. So scale is equals to 1 over 400,000. Okay. So this one is Li over Lo, which is 1 over 400,000. This one moves here. Lo is equals to, this one moves here, which is Li times 400,000 divided by 1. So you get Li is, he gives you 2.5. So 2.5 times 400,000, correct? Okay, cm. So it's equals to 1 million cm, which is equals to 1 kilometer. No, 10 kilometers, sorry. Okay. Correct, huh? You get what? Formula in the book. It's actually the same. The scale drawing divided by object. The formula is the same. It's just that I'm using the different label only. Okay. Now for the question 4. Sulin draws a right angle triangle to a scale of 1 to, oh, it's 1/3. If the hypotenuse of the scale drawing is 18, so he wants you to calculate the length of the hypotenuse of the original triangle. So now, scale is equals to the length of scale drawing versus by the length of the original. This is 1 to 1/3, which is equals to 18 is the scale drawing. 18 divided by the length of original. So this one moves here. So length of original will be equals to, this one moves here, 1/3 times 18, which is equals to 6 cm. Okay, correct? Okay, good. Okay, huh? Okay, if that's the case, then you are allowed to dismiss.